Have you guys ever filmed a video, start editing it, realizing this video's trash? Yeah, this video I'm editing right now is completely trash. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna film another one. I'm gonna step away from this. We're gonna jump into a different video. Let's do it. Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the OmegaGreed YouTube channel, where we do a bunch of fun things with cars, and we live inside the LA area, so we do videos around LA. I am stepping away from that other video. I'm going to film another one with the Jeep today. So we are going to be installing a couple quick parts on the Jeep. Nothing too crazy, but these are things I've been wanting to get done to the Jeep, and I've had them actually for a while. I just completely forgot that I even have them. But we're going to go downstairs, look at the Jeep, and I'm going to show you guys exactly all the stuff we're going to be doing with it today. Oh yeah guys, I forgot to tell you, my actual plates came in finally for the Jeep. They were almost expired, so that's good. I've been running around with my paper plates literally on the Jeep since I bought it, and they were about to expire. Okay guys, so actually I almost lost where where I put them. I actually put it inside the trunk underneath the little storage thing back there. I've literally had this stuff for like a while. So the things I'm going to be installing is the Sunshade kit for when you take the roof panels off. I've had this on my JK with the soft top, never put on the JL with the hard top. So I'm assuming you have to take this off. It just kind of goes on here. I'm not really sure how this works, if I have to leave it on all the time or not. So I'm going to see. Then I also have another storage panel for one of the chairs, so I'm going to be putting that on as well. I'm going to add a little bit more storage to the Jeep, just have a little bit more storage in just a couple different areas. Yeah, honestly it feels like I haven't really driven my car in I haven't really driven my car really honestly that much recently. It's kind of weird because I'm working from home, and I'm not driving as much, so I honestly miss just being inside my Jeep, and wow, I forgot. Really, I can't get over the fact of how nice these interiors are compared to the JKs. This is so much better than the JKs were. But yeah, so let's get this stuff installed. I'm gonna unpack some of the stuff, and we're gonna install this stuff, and I'll tell you guys how everything goes. Like always, I'll have links down in the description where I bought this stuff from. So this stuff is nothing super crazy, but just to show you guys what they are inside the packaging. I'm gonna unpackage everything. Oh cool, even came with a little American patch. I'm gonna unpack everything, and then we're gonna install it. Guys, so this panel is a real simple design, nothing too crazy to it. It literally just goes on the back of the chair. I'm putting it on the passenger seat so that way I can have access to it from the driver's seat if I need to grab anything. And it's pretty cool because it's a Molly, has the Molly designs. You can actually add more stuff to this. So I think that'll be nice to have a little bit more just stuff I can put on here. Similarly, when I had the JK, I put a book bag back here, so I was able to carry a little bit more stuff. Yeah, so only thing I have to remove the stuff that's there. It's pretty simple. This little thing came with a little American patch. That's kind of cool. Just stuff it on wherever. Super simple, easy to install. Literally takes 2 seconds. Oh, this is actually really cool. I didn't even notice this pack has a whole big storage compartment, so you can stuff stuff in there and then close it up. So that's pretty cool if you want to have that. And I think the black looks good because you can't really tell if there's anything there from a quick glance. Plus these back windows are tinted really dark, so you can't really see anything in here at all. Okay, so there it is. Nothing too crazy. Okay, so after doing some research, there's not much really information out there if you can really run this with the hardtop still on. I'm gonna attempt it. Let's see what happens. But it's pretty simple to install it. They're all pretty simple. I'm just kind of curious, will I be able to access the latches with this on? I'm gonna install it right now. We'll see if I can. If I can, that'll be great, but if not, I'm gonna have to take it off and put it back on every time I want to have the sunroof off and, you know, have the sunshade on. So that would be a bummer. But this is a lower end product. You can buy like better ones, but I like to buy this one because, end of the day, they're all pretty much the same. So let's see what this thing does. Guys, just to show you, so when they say you have to pass it through the windshield, it is literally, you stick it in there, you use this tool to like literally run it underneath, and it snakes around. On the opposite way, you can see it's going. You have to literally use this thing to like snake it underneath. I really hope I could run the hardtop with this on. Let me just see if I could put it on. It's not even full. This thing isn't fully on. I want to see if I can like put it on and they snap it on. If so, that'll be cool. If not, that would suck because this takes a minute to put on. So let's see real quick. All right, so you guys will see first and foremost. What's it looking like? It's not great. I don't think. Well, I might be able. Well, no, I don't think I will. Even I won't have access. This will be tucked away tightly up against all of this stuff, so I can't even get access to the latches. So that's a bummer. Fortunately, I'm gonna take it off for now because I don't really need it on for now. I'm gonna have the Jeep, the roof. I'm gonna put the roof back on. I think I'm gonna wash the Jeep, so I'm not gonna put this fully on. It does kind of suck. I wish I could just have a system that can have a sunshade underneath the hardtop. Okay guys, really quickly I'm gonna show you. This is what it looks like when it's on. This took way too long to put on. I don't know if it's worth it. I mean, I guess it's fine. But overall, it's not the greatest, for sure. This is way too much of a hassle to put on and off. It takes way too long. I just wanna put that in here in the video. Which, honestly, this is really disappointing, but it's okay. It's not the end of the world. This is now I have this extra little pack here. I could probably just leave it literally inside that little storage bin that's right there. So that'll be cool because we do a fair amount of just taking the roof off real quick. I will say it's not as nice or as easy as having the soft top. The soft top, we would take the whole roof off like real easy back on the JK. But honestly, having the hard top on this JL is kind of nice because you can just take the front two panels off, and a lot of times I just put the panels inside the trunk and just drive around with it like that, and then if we want to put them back on, we just put them back on. So it's honestly not a bad system either way, but yeah, it is a little bit disappointing. Plus it is kind of cutting into the headroom. I know it'll be like a little bit higher up, but like it is kind of cutting into the headroom for me, as you can see. So like it definitely cuts like an inch or so, if not maybe 2 inches of your headroom. So you gotta be careful about that. So it does kind of suck, but it is what it is. But guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. At least we got something installed on the Jeep, so that's always a good thing. I do have more stuff planned though. I am thinking about doing some more major stuff soon. I will talk to you guys and let you guys know exactly what's the plans for that very soon. I can't really reveal everything yet, but I do have some bigger stuff in the works for the Jeep. This is the smaller stuff I want to like improve the quality of life type of things for the Jeep, but more stuff is on the way for sure. And we might go off-roading tomorrow, not really sure, we have to see, but yeah, you guys stick around for that. But like that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. Follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed, same name as the YouTube channel. Go to the website, geeksforcars.com. Like that, we're out here. See you in the next video. See ya.